Morning 3D. Today is going to be a marvelous Monday. Let's look at today's schedule. This week we have a Zoom A schedule for the week. So today we're going to celebrate Ion's summer birthday. The whole class will meet afterwards. We're going to actually review quadrilaterals. The seesaw assignment on Friday, I think only 1 or 2 kids really got correct. So we do need to see what happened. If you didn't practice with the Khan Academy, that could be a big piece of it. You really had to practice and learn the language of the different quadrilaterals and the angles and so forth. So we're going to review that lesson. So be prepared to have that open on Seesaw so that we can do that together. Also, please bring a joke, and we're going to share 5 jokes for Ion's birthday. Today, 1:20 to 1:35 is your Spanish class and a library broadcast at 2:30. Okay, there are some changes to this week's Zoom, so please pay attention. We are Zooming Tuesday. Usually that's office hours, but we're going to Zoom 11 to 12 because we're going to celebrate our fantasy trailers. On Thursday, we have a 10:30 Zoom with our buddies and Miss Style for the book of the month. And then we're going to leave that Zoom to go on a different Zoom link at 11 together. Okay, so happy birthday to Ion again, and we'll see you at 11, Ion. Publishing your book and trailer. This is the last day you can post on the 3rd grade Padlet, boys and girls. Many of you just put your videos in the folder, so Mr. Casal will get to that YouTube upload hopefully today. And there are many of you who still need to put your story and link your trailer on the Padlet. All right, so this was from last week. So here's the tutorial again that Mrs. Luciano did last week about how to do that. So watch that, and this is how to download your writing as a PDF and then attach it to your Padlet. So you need to decide where you are in the process. If you already did this, and I already talked to you that you are on the Padlet, then you skip this whole section. You don't have to worry about this section because you did everything you had to do last week. But let's just go quickly. Here's the 3rd grade Padlet. This is where everyone's going to be reading your story and watching your trailer. So what I did was I highlighted our class in like this pinkish color just so that I could see who was doing everything. So if you don't have a link like this right here and like that pink right here, that means you still need to do your trailer, okay? And your story's there. So look and see. I think we still need 8 more. So you really need to know who you are, and I will remind you during our Zoom today, but you can take a peek. But these are the ones that are complete already. Okay, so here is where you look for your YouTube folder video if it was uploaded last week. This is a document that has all the directions, but Miss Luciano also does it in a video form. And last, this is where you go to post it on the Padlet. Okay, so boys and girls, many of you are finishing up your next fantasy book. So read for 30 minutes and post on your book club Padlet today because today is Monday. Cursive, we're not going to be able to finish all the capital letters, unfortunately, this week, but you can certainly do this over the summer, and I'll show you how to get these tutorials to help you. All right, so today you're going to complete page 100 and 101. Watch the 2 tutorials of capital Y and capital Z so that you can form them correctly. The Heathcote Garden, Toby from the garden, the Kaleidoscope Garden, has 4 lessons for us. So that's how we're going to end this week. So watch this video first of Toby, and then Miss Luciano makes a video with another video that Toby does. And then you're going to, based on this video, you have to answer a Brain Pop assignment. So you're going to watch a movie and the quiz that's assigned to you. And then there's also a seesaw assignment. So you really need to pay attention to photosynthesis to be able to do these 2 assignments. All right, so maybe some of you want to take notes along the way as well. Okay, so here, just watch the lesson here, watch the Brain Pop video, complete the quiz, and don't forget to sign in through Heathcote Gateway and use G Suite. Social studies, Mrs. Boyer quickly just shows you Harlem, okay? for a part of our tour of New York City. It's located in Upper Manhattan. Harlem is rich in culture, architecture, and people. So watch the video, and she gives you the directions of what to do. So you're going to watch Mrs. Boyer's introduction to Harlem, and within the slides is a video that you should watch. Also read a Scholastic article, and you can read through the Jazz Museum and complete the assignment on Seesaw. Here are the slides for you to, I'll open it for you. I did not put in your social studies folder this time, but you could just click on the slides, okay? And here's the Scholastic, and then here's also the Jazz Fest, okay? So the slides are there for you. And here's the Seesaw activity. Also, we have an opportunity for you. It's optional, but we love as many people as possible that can participate in this, and we're going to have another optional activity like this for tomorrow for book recommendations. But what we wanted to do, Mrs. Luciano made a tutorial about how to go back into Adobe Spark Video because so many people loved using it. And we want you to highlight the fun activities that you enjoyed this past year that you think the upcoming third graders would look forward to. So this video reminds you about how to access Adobe Spark Video and a step-by-step guide of how to find the third grade folder titled Welcome to Third Grade Videos, which is going to be in your Shared With Me folder in your Drive. So we are really excited for some creative, wonderful videos. If you want to do this with someone, you can do that too. But we really encourage you to do this for the current second graders who are coming up to third grade. All right, it's like a trailer of Welcome to Third Grade. Last, math, classifying quadrilaterals. We need more work on this. So please work on this on IXL. You should be spending at least 30 minutes on this because you want a really good score. If you are working over 30 minutes, then stop. But if you're not, then keep going. All right, so it's double D. You're going to do 1 and then 3 through 8. Okay, so you're skipping number 2 here. It's double D, 1 and 3 through 8, triangles and quadrilaterals. So what do you need by the end of the day today? You need to read 30 minutes, complete your book club Padlet, which is in your reading folder, your cursive capital Y and Z, science, watch the 2 Heathcote Garden and photosynthesis, complete your Seesaw activity and complete the Brain Pop video and quiz on photosynthesis. Social studies, watch the tutorial, go through the slides and links, and watch the videos, complete the Seesaw activity. Fantasy writing and book trailer. This is I'm sorry, but this is past due, but I put it in here anyway. So for the students who didn't do this, this is your final day that we can do this because our celebration is tomorrow. Okay, so also you're welcome to third grade video. This one is the optional project. You can do a trailer. This is welcome to third grade. Upload it to the share folder, and all the directions are in the tutorial above. And last, IXL, work on double D 1 and 3 through 8. Okay, boys and girls, I look forward to seeing you at 11 o'clock today. We're going to review quadrilaterals, and I do have a social studies read aloud that I would like to do with you. I'm hoping we get to it, so please be prepared, and I will see you at 11. See you then.